Today I'll be showing you how to use Turnitin inside of Canvas. Start by going to your assignments. Once you are there, accept the license agreement. Then click on Read More. This will open up a tab full of instructions. Once you're ready to begin, close out of this tab and click on Start Writing. Once you've clicked on it, scroll to the bottom and accept the license agreement. This will open another tab called Turnitin Clarity. Turnitin Clarity is an AI that helps you write your assignment. It gives you a lot of tools such as a grammar check to make sure you're spelling correctly and a citation check to make sure you're citing correctly. Furthermore, you also have access to an AI chat box that can help you brainstorm, summarize instructions, and create outlines for your paper. For example, let's say you're stuck and you don't know where to begin. You can click on Brainstorm Ideas, reply to the chat, and it will give you a couple of prompts that you can follow to help you find an idea. This assignment in particular requires a topic. If you don't know what topic to pick, you can ask the AI for inspiration. The AI will then ask you to draw from either personal experiences, current events, or interests that you may have. Let's say we want to talk about the use of AI in education, for example. Now the AI asks you to take a stance. Are you for it or against it? In this case, let's say we are for AI and we think that it should be accessible in all schools. Something very important to keep in mind is that this AI chat box will not do the work for you. It is only there to assist you. For example, I misspelled responsibly and it helped me correct my grammar. You can use the AI as much or as little as possible. For example, I have my thesis, but now I'm not sure what's next. I can ask the AI and the AI will take the instructions, summarize them to me, and let me know what follows. In this case, I had my thesis, but I needed 3 or 4 reasons to support my point of view. Okay, so let's say you spent a couple of hours and you're finally ready to submit. Hit preview and make sure that your paper looks okay. After that, go ahead and click that button at the top right corner. Submit your assignments. Once it has been received, go back into grades to confirm. And keep in mind that you won't see an automatic grade. Your professor must grade it manually.